Kepala Shuni Fibro, kijeng tip nam ta kubar laj kam, te kadon kawe ka post pion ka balaj, te ngan pulih kat kum kande ka advertisement. Application are hereby invited from the resident of West Jaintia Hill District, kan mau pha on sya tang ya ki nong West Jaintia Hill mo kan mau. West Jaintia Hill District for the post of pion in the office of the SDO Amlarem on contractual basis, kadai contractual. For a period of 89 days, prap khandai sngi but sa renew bade and maybe lightly extended from time to time. Kita renew wait dalakur ka prap khandai sngi sa renew biang uta. Subject to satisfactory performance of duties and services provided. Application should reach the office of the undersigned on 30 August 2023 till the 17 hours. Piapan poi pok office hadu ka lipo trik jong panai August. Kiba ko apna apply sekan mau ban pha ek application pendap leng ba ka standard form hila ban thiet na ki of na ki cyber kan serok la don batch phone ka le sani ka we te sa pendap gidun kambarot hang tu bade sa submit ringkat bat ki documents select submit apok office SDO Amlarem. The applicants will be shortlisted and selected candidate will have to appear for walk-in interview. Taken sa penmi bade ye kita ki shortlisted candidate and selected candidate will have to appear for walk-in interview. Ba kitu kiba select pada kita select saya ke interview pada. On 1 September from 10 AM onward in this office. Shitrik September kandai ka interview. From 10 AM onward in this office. Tekan name of the post kadai pion, ke age limit kadai khat prad license name. Minimum qualification kadai class 6 pass. Katulop shibanai kadai khat arajar. Application of candidate not supported by marksheet certificate both in original and photocopy shall be summarily rejected. No mobile phone are allowed inside interview hall. Te kan mau ba kitu kiba ko apply ma phia ban submit ringkat bat ki photocopies kun ba ki ada xerox la submit ki document baro ki ba hap tu te ha ka por interview bade pita ban ra lang bat ka ba xerox ringkat bat ki original baro ki balong support bade ya kita ki documents ki jong phi kemau ban lei submit hapok office jong SDO Amlarem sub divisional officer. Tangini ki jemput, kepala